what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Got a package, and I just wanted to share it with you.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
My second Rovi came, man. I know I did a video on it, and my Rovi actually got stolen in this truck, you know. And I've been looking for other cameras, somewhat like it. I had the forward facing, backward facing, removable the way it was, and I couldn't really find anything. I found some in China, but it is what it is. I mean, who wants to wait a month for delivery? So I rebought it, and it's actually $10 cheaper than a year ago. How ironic, right? Fuck it, it's all good. So I bought it. I bought the memory card. I'm about to place it in the car, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. You know, that the Rovi camera was so good the first time that I bought it again. Is that amazing? That's a good review in itself. So in total, I bought 2 cameras. I have one, but you know, if you rebuy something, obviously it's pretty good, and it was a good camera. The only thing I do have a complaint on is that it doesn't take anything more than a 32 gig SD card, which is only about a day of video. Only about a day of video, and so if you was away from your car for longer than a day or two, you wouldn't be able to see anything only until a day passed. So like, let's say you left your car for a week or something like that, and it got robbed on day 3, you wouldn't have any video for that unless you caught it on day 4. You know, if it came on day 5 or 6, you know, you didn't get it. So that's the one downfall on that. But honestly, I mean, there's not a lot of machines that can hold a lot of memory, and 32 gigs is a lot of information as it is, just sitting on your dashboard. So nonetheless, number 2, show you again so I don't have bullshit. Rovi dash cam 3017. It should be the same. Yeah, same exact one. Class 10. Oh, look at that. Max 32 gig, class 10 required. I didn't even know if the one I bought was class 10. I hope it is, so I don't have to worry about anything. But nonetheless, y'all see it. Came in the mail. I got it twice. It's proof in the pudding, man. I ain't here to lie to y'all. So go and get yourself one, man. It's good. Rovi came in, right? No, this is the original one that I had, and it got stolen out of this truck. So I'm hoping shit doesn't happen again. But nonetheless, the same exact machine. I don't see anything different about it. I don't see anything different about it. But yeah, pretty simple. Check out this little plastic, right? Plug in the USB, and later on, I'm gonna have to line it up behind the dash, or not the dash, the panels, but it gives you more than enough. More than enough. And this right here is the only thing different I see. There's a weight. I guess that was the issue before with breaking this piece right here. The USB will always get slanted, but I guess having this keeps it above. All right, and basically, sorry, I put on the gas, my fault. Put a little bit of that. The suction's right on. Boom. Plug it in. I can show you. So it's coming on. Right. It's battery depleted, but look, boom! Instantly it starts to record, which is great. Instantly starts to record. It says there's no microphone, which looks a little different. Obviously, I gotta fix the date and all that, but Yeah, it's working, man. It's right. That's just like that. That's how simple it is. As long as you buy the right memory card, you won't have an issue. You know, pretty decent. Pretty decent.